Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkoswa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe or button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Xoxo's mom was involved in a car accident today, and kuthiwa beka emsebenzini ngalesikhathi imoto yakhe iphapalateka iyoshayisa. Guys, people are really worried ngamakoqeqwe, and they are sending my messages lapho kuma social media platforms. Bayasho nje ukuthi banaye emkhulekweni, and bayasho ukuthi banaye batolwa naye until i-justice for Qoqwe at served ke sana. So kuyabonakala guys ukuthi she's going through a lot, like how any other parent would feel uma ngaba face nento lefana nalena. Guys, kubuhlungu kakhulu, kubuhlungu ngendlela lesimanga, but sifuna ukuthi ati ukuthi simzansi siyamsita ukuthi aloli justice for umntwana wakhe. And said ukuthi as much as kubuhlungu, as much as she's going through a lot, facing ne-depression buhlungu ngalana kufuna emsebenzini, njengoba yasho ukuthi she's not gonna take a leave, ufuna qhubeka aye emsebenzini. But nkosi yami, kubuhlungu kakhulu lokwenzakalako, and kuyakhombisa ukuthi vele akekho right ngisho nasemoyeni, because naku namuhla so uhlangabezane nengoti, and bani bayiloku bathumela njalo ama messages lapha kuma social media platforms. Bayasho ukuthi bamfisela kululama alokusheshako ngobe ekseni uphuthunyiswe esibhedlela, but kuyashiwo ukuthi akalimalanga kakhulu, she's okay, so to recover akungasikutsala. So simfisela njena kululama alokushesha ngendlela lesimanga. Samile siyaqhubeka sisho njalo sithi justice for uQwecwe. Sifuna lo dlingo lwecwecwe, sifuna kumbona jeza for sendo sakhe. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.